Potensic ATOM 2 3-axis gimbal camera drone, 4K video, 8K photo, 10K M. Honest, real review. You packed your drone, hiked 40 minutes to the perfect ridge, hit record, and the footage came back shaky, washed out, and completely unusable. Every single time. Type guilty if this is your life right now. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. The problem was never your location, your timing, or your skill. It was always the drone sitting in your bag. You climbed the rooftop at golden hour, launched your drone, captured the whole thing, and then watched the footage back looking like a shaky elevator security cam. Every time. Type guilty if this is your life right now. Because here's the thing nobody says out loud. Great locations do not fix bad stabilization. And you already know that, don't you? That drowning feeling when your content looks amateur despite a breathtaking backdrop is not about talent. It is about tools. Every scroll past a competitor's silky aerial reel tightens that frustration a little more. What if control was actually simple? What if one compact device quietly solved the stabilization, the range, the night shots, and the vertical content problem all at once? Then I put on the Potensic ATOM 2 3-axis gimbal camera drone, 4K video, 8K photo, 10K M night shot, and everything got stupidly quiet. Don't just pick any compact travel drone. Make sure it has a genuine 3-axis mechanical gimbal combined with AI night shot, so you never feel the gut punch of unusable shaky footage ruining a perfect location ever again. Here is what that actually unlocks. First, the 3-axis gimbal absorbs every gust and micro vibration, so your 4K HDR footage moves like liquid glass. Second, AI Night Shot processes low-light city scenes in real time, so nightscapes look intentional, not accidental. Third, the 10-kilometer PixSync 4.0 transmission keeps your live feed locked and clear, while the drone explores further than you can see. Fourth, 8K photo capture gives you 48 megapixels of detail with cropping flexibility that changes post-production entirely. Fifth, vertical 2.7K shooting means your TikTok and Reels content is native and ready without rotating and cropping. Sixth, AI track follows moving subjects hands-free, so solo creators stop missing their own best moments. I was at 2:47 a.m. editing client travel content, deadline in 3 hours, and one stabilized AI night shot clip from the Potensic ATOM 2 saved the entire delivery. There was one quick shot mode buried in the Potensic evap that most pilots completely skip, and it produces the most cinematic results of any automated sequence. Here is how this plays out in real life. Hours of unusable shaky footage disappear permanently. Clarity arrives because the mechanical gimbal does what no electronic stabilization alone can replicate. Performance doubles because AI tracking and vertical native shooting cut your production time in half. Results start shutting rooms up when clients realize that crisp 4K HDR aerial clip came from a drone lighter than a water bottle. Tech Radar named the Potensic ATOM 2 the best sub-250-gram DJI alternative available, placing it between the DJI Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro in overall capability, which is an extraordinary achievement at this price point. Drone XL confirmed the Sony sensor delivers vibrant footage with excellent color reproduction across real-world shooting conditions. One verified Amazon buyer wrote exactly this. The 4K HDR video is stunning, and the 3-axis gimbal makes footage look like it was shot on a much more expensive drone. Personally, I watched a first-time pilot nail a dolly zoom shot on their second flight using nothing but the app tutorial. Second flight! This is the one thing thousands message me about daily. Whether the AI night shot actually works or just sounds good on a spec sheet. Real-world city testing confirmed it works. Which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1 for gimbal clarity, 2 for 10-kilometer range, 3 for AI night shot. Drop it below right now. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire aerial content workflow and never looked back at shaky tourist footage again. The Potensic ATOM 2 3-axis gimbal camera drone 4K video, 8K photo, 10km night shot gives you cinematic stabilization, AI-powered night photography, vertical native shooting, and 10-kilometer transmission range in a package light enough to forget is in your bag until the perfect moment arrives. First link in the description, I pinned it to the top because I'm not letting you miss this. Your next location deserves this drone.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.